What's up, y'all? What's up, lovely people? My name is Mr. Creative, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so guys, I love the way you guys are supporting the channel and the views and subscribers. Yes, thank you very much. It's been a long time we did a tutorial on this channel, and today we are going to look at a tutorial on a birthday flyer. As you can see on my screen, yes, I'm actually working on something for a friend. Yes, but today we are going to look at a birthday flyer, as you can judge by the thumbnail. Yes, so first off, we are going to choose our screen size. Yes, so bear with me if you see my PC running slow. Yeah. So the size is in inches, the width is 16, the height is 18. Yes, the resolution is 300. Yes, I'm just going to go with 8-bit. The color mode is in RGB color. Yes, the background content is white. Yes, and we are good to go. So let's create. Okay, so this is the size I'm going to use to create the birthday flyer you saw on the thumbnail. Yeah, so there is this background I downloaded, yes, some time ago, and it actually suits the lady's attire, so I'm going to use it. I don't know, let me scroll down to look for where the background I used. I think I have a couple of them. Yeah, I think I used this one. So it is as small as this, so let's scale it to fit into the background. Yes, and scale this side. Bear with me if you see my PC running slow. This PC has been on for quite some time now, and it's crazy, bro. So let's wait for it to transform, and yeah, yes. Okay, so actually let me drag it down a little. I want some darker part to show. Yes, I think this is cool. Now this picture, I'll leave it in the description. Yes, the resources for this actual particular work, I'll leave it in the description. Now this particular picture, the pixels are very blurry, like it's very bad. The image is nice, but the quality is bad. Yeah, I don't know how I downloaded it myself, and I think I have to be lashed. Yes, so this is what you have to do. If you download anything you want to use in the design and then the quality is bad, just blur it. Okay, just add Gaussian blur to it and then adjust it to anyhow you want it to be. Yeah, so someone will say, why are you not scaling it to fit the entire screen? No, I don't want to do that. It's a personal preference. Yeah, so I'm going to apply something here real quick. So let me add Gaussian blur to the background. So you come to filter, then you go to blur, you come to Gaussian blur, and it automatically blur it for you. So I think the one here is 36. If it is cool for you, you can go with it. If it's not cool, you can try and reduce it. That one is up to you. I think let me increase it a bit. I think 20, 22, or any of them will do. 22, 24, you can go with that. Yes, so that's it. Now there's one thing you can also do to this to get rid of the white space here. Yeah, I intentionally left it because I want to add a brush to that side. So I'll create a new layer. You come down to the layer panel and choose create new layer. Then you come to your color palette, the color picker, and then you bring it down. The color picker, you bring it down to this side where you see a darker portion of the image you are using. You click on it, it will automatically select that color for you. Then you go and choose your brush tool, Yes, so you open it to any size and then you make sure you brush on the design like so. Yeah, so you brush again, make sure you don't see the white. Yes, make sure you don't see the white. Alright, so let's wait for my brush to finish working and then we are good to go. Forgive me, this PC has been on for the past 3 weeks. Yes, so it is tired. Yes, my PC is tired, Wabre. Yes, so let's wait for my brush to stop working and then okay, so we are good to go, guys. So you can see we are actually heading towards somewhere. Yes, so let me drag this thing back a little, drag it down a little, the brush a little. Yes, it's affecting some places I don't like. Yes, so you can see we are almost done with the background. Yeah, so some people thought you just do this and place them. No. I actually added some. You can see that at the edges you have this bar. I don't know if we should call it window or light or something. Yeah, but the light, because I blurred it, the light is not really showing, so I'm going to add a certain light here, yeah, to reflect more or something. Yes, and we are good to go. So I'm going to bring in the model's image. I've actually taken the background already. Yes, so I'm not sure I'm going to add the lady's image to the resources. Yeah, if I don't want a picture to circulate around, you can use any picture you want. Or yes, I'm gonna ask her first. Yes, so you see, so this is the picture. I've actually taken the background already. Yes, yes, I've actually taken the background already, and I'm going to place it behind the brush layer so that it will hide some parts of the picture that I don't want to see. Yes, so this is cool, and I think a picture is so big in the design, so I'm gonna reduce a picture a little like so. I think this is cool. Yes, this is cool. Let me increase a picture downwards like so. Yes, and I think we are good to go to continue with any details that we want to. Okay, so when you bring in a picture like so, this is what I did. I'm going to work on the edges, so let me turn off a picture. I'm going to work on the lights here, the reflection from here, the reflection from this side, this angle, and then bring in the text I use for a pic. Yes, and we are good to go. Yeah, so let me bring in the light effect that I used. I'm sure, yes, I've been using this light effect for quite some time now. Whoever created it, God bless you. And yes, so this is the light effect that I'm going to use. Yes, so it comes in 4, and I'm just going to select one of them and use them. So I'm going to rasterize them and then select the lasso 2 and then circle just the one that you want to use. Yes, then right click and choose layer via cut. So yes, and then I'll just turn off the rest, and I have this. Yes, I have this. So this, I'm going to increase it like so. I want to get a reflection from the background like that, and then you come to the blending mode and you turn it to screen. Yes, you can see the magic. Let me show you the before and after. Yes, let me increase it. Yes, so guys, and that's not all. I'm going to duplicate this light, drag it to the edge like so. Now you see the light is round, but the edge I want to the place I want to put it is a bar. Okay, so I'm going to stretch this light to, if you have any other option you can do it. Yes, but I'm going to stretch it to fit into the bar there. So you are going to hold shift, and I want to start from the bottom, so I'm going to hold shift and drag this thing down, come to this side and pull it in. I want it to be straight, so yes, and drag the top side like so. Sorry. Okay, so now it is fitting in, but I want to make it straight. Yes. And then now the bar is a little bit slanted, so I'm going to slant it, and then drag this side in a little so that some places won't be affected. I'm just making sure the light falls at the right place. And okay, so let me show you the before. So this is the before, this is the after. This is the before and after. Yes, so you can see there must be some kind of proportionality in the design. So I'm going to duplicate this thing and drag it to this side. So let's select this, duplicate, and hold shift to drag so that it doesn't change the position. Yes, but you can see that it is not falling on it the other way. So I'm going to Control T to make sure I flip it to the other side, and we are good to go. So let me push it in a little, and we are good to go. So you can see the before and after. Yeah, so this is the before, this is the after. Yes, now let me bring in the lady's image, the model's image. Yes, I think the light is falling on the lady, so I'm going to bring all the light behind the lady. Yes, and we are good to go. Yes, so now I'm going to duplicate the light that I placed, the first light I placed in the background. I'm going to duplicate it. I want to see some kind of reflection on the lady's picture, so I'm going to duplicate this light in the background. Yes, and bring it on top of the lady. Sounds like, what are you doing? Yeah, so I'm just going to reduce the size of this light like so. Reduce it, make sure there is a little bit of reflection falling on the lady. Yes, and I'm going to duplicate this one too and bring one behind there. Make sure I just reduce the size. Reduce the size and make sure it doesn't. Yes, so this is what I did with this artwork. Yes, so I think we are looking pretty cool, pretty nice so far. Yeah, so now I'm gonna type happy birthday, and let me set the color to white, and I'm gonna use Montserrat. Yeah, so type the happy, leave everything in caps, so happy birthday queen. Yes, okay, so the queen is coming from the thing she's wearing on a top. I don't know whether it's a crown or, yes, I didn't really go to a good school like that. Yes, so yes, so I'm reducing it. Yes, and I'm going to kernel it like so. Let me reduce it again. I don't want it to show that much. Yes, and kernel it again, and Control A. This thing I've been saying it on my channel. Yeah, Control A and align horizontal. Yes, so this is horizontally aligned. Yes. Okay, so I think so far so good. We have arrived somewhere, and I want to show you, there's this font that I used. Yes, Shining Gold font. I have it here. Let me open it real quick. Yes, and let me teach you how to edit this mockup. It's a mockup. Yeah, so if you don't know how to edit mockups, yeah, I'm going to quickly walk you through. So when you come to the layers panel, if you open the mockup, I'll add it in the link in the description. You will see your text here, so you just click on it twice. It will open the raw text for you. Yeah, so this font Once you get the folder for this, if you don't have the font name is Tahoe. Yes, Tahoe. Even though the Photoshop will show you that you download it. Yes, maybe I'll add it to the resources as well. So I'm just going to type, the name is Adlia. Damn, bro. Oh, her name is Adlia. Yes, so just make sure you just type the name and you are good to go. Okay, so when you are done, you close it. When you close it, you have ask you this options: save changes to Adobe Photoshop document, which says yes, no, cancel. So just click on yes, and then you get your effect. So okay, so this is when we came here, it was good. I've changed it to Adlia, the lady's name. Yes, and what I'm going to do is, if you want to save, you can save this as a PNG and later go and bring it on your design. But what I'll do is, I'm going to duplicate this, the text, and then the edition copy, yeah, and then Control E to merge it. Yes, and then I'm going to take it into the design. I don't want the process to be long, so I'm just doing some shortcut moves. So I just brought a name here, and we are good to go, guys. So if you want to write anything down here, you can write any wishes you want to write. Let's say blah 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 blah. Yes, I don't want the video to be long. Yes, I'm going to give you the resources that you need in making this design. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, leave a comment, and God will bless you. I don't want to continue because the video will be too much long for me to export. So if you meet again, what am I even saying, bro? Let's meet on the flip side of things. We out.